Welcome to Making Your Dream a Reality, your real estate guide. In the United States of America, authored by José-Alonso Hurtado González, this essential guide is your trusted companion on the path to owning real estate in the USA. Now in its 7th edition, this work has empowered countless buyers since its original copyright, TXU1 298021, in 2006. Guiding them step by step through the real estate process with clarity, confidence, and care. This first-time homebuyer real estate video course may not be reproduced, transmitted, or stored in whole or in part by any means, including graphic, electronic, or mechanical without the express written consent of the publisher and/or author, except in the case of brief quotations embodied in critical articles and reviews. MYDAR, the book may be ordered through booksellers or by contacting Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, or via Amazon. For the best learning experience, I strongly encourage you to purchase the paperback or hardcover edition of MYDAR, available on Amazon. It serves as a valuable reference guide as you progress through this first-time homebuyer course. Special and heartfelt thanks to everyone who believed in me, and to the consumers seeking guidance in making one of the most significant investments of their lifetime, real estate in the United States of America. Understand the process of buying real estate. In the United States of America, buying real estate is not just a financial investment. It's an emotional one. It's about security, stability, and building a legacy for your family and future generations. But let's be honest, the real estate process can be overwhelming, confusing, and sometimes even intimidating. That's where this course and this guide come in. May your real estate endeavors bring prosperity to you and create a lasting legacy for future generations for your family. The following content is provided to enhance your understanding. One, synopsis. 2, introduction. 3, the lending institution. 4, the real estate company. 5, the title and escrow company. 6, the appraisal company. 7, the home inspection company. 8, the insurance company. 9, the home warranty company. 10, the pesticide company. 11, the civil engineer company. 12, the mold company. 13, extra. 14, consumers beware. 15, the offices of the state bank commissions in the USA. 16, state real estate commissions or boards in the USA. 17, federal and miscellaneous agencies in the USA. You've completed the video. Please proceed to the next section of the course.